So I'm just following around the best
Pilot,
you can.
Jeffrey.
The best you can.
EDF Scimitar.
Yeah, I can see it struggling. Yeah, I was struggling a bit maybe back there. Yeah.
Would you want to
Just bang it down.
Tell me when.
Now. I'm bringing in lower from the left now. Not too fast. Probably want to see half of that, but obviously we get a nice slow, really slow pass.
I'll go up after you go.
Okay.
Good. Take it off.
Dodgy today with that speed. Good, good.
On the left. Right.
1 minute left. Slow or fast from the right now.
Landing left.
Okay. I'll follow him in.
You landing, Jeff.
No, I'm just following you in.
Lower! Faster!
You put our battery on charge?
What?
You put our battery on charge?
Yeah, alright, I'll charge it. Straight towards, there's nothing near.
That's so far.
What?
I don't know if it's
Shouldn't
far,
do
but
this,
it's
but
too
just
fast.
for the camera.
Charge battery.
No,
Pull into.
that's for my left look. Yeah.
You're staying behind the flight line, Jeffrey. Yeah, come on, what's the flight line rule? You were the one that showed us the flags, now you've got to follow them. Do as I do, not as I teach. Or is it the other way around?
You knew you were going to get that, didn't you?
That's nearly.
Just thrown my way.
How could I? Couldn't be behind the pitch, could I? Oh, on those lines in the middle,
Yeah.
yeah.
That's well over the line, that is, Jeff.
Oh,
That's out. Get out Keep it on the field.
I'm bringing it in there, so you'll hang there while I land, that'll be magic.
The timeman's gone off, Jeff.
Yeah. 20 minutes.
That's a quick one, isn't it?
I'm going to just glide it in, I'll shut the power off. Just dead stick it in.